Well, still only wants to run about 10 minutes at a time here, regardless of the throttle setting I'm using, so not really sure. Well, probably flooded this pretty severely. And oh yeah, the fuel tank is actually quite warm, so maybe the problem is that the engine warms up and heats the fuel tank up, and then the fuel starts bubbling in the fuel line. Because just now I've had to pull a few bubbles through that fuel line, and that might be the issue here. So, alright, well, Yeah. Alright, well, we've gotten about 10 minutes at a run out of it, which is okay. I really wish I could just get the T26 to run reliably through an entire tank of fuel. Right now, where are we at here? Looks like we still got about a half tank of fuel left. But like I said, this tank is very warm, so it's probably sitting on top of the engine there, really heating the fuel up a lot and causing an issue there. Because I have been pulling bubbles through this fuel line again. So I'm gonna do something about this muffler so that it's not collecting fluid and pushing it back into the exhaust valve area. That'll help it idle better, and then we'll see what we can do next. Because of course in the winter, you remember it ran real happily in the winter, and that would be you know, all the cold fuel and the cold engine and everything would keep that from heating up to boil the fuel off. So that is a likely issue that I'm dealing with right now. So we'll keep at it and see what we can do.